Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view your Facebook profile as someone else would view it. So if you're curious how your Facebook profile would look like to someone else, this is how you're going to view your Facebook profile. First, you can just open the Facebook app and then head to your profile, click on your photo at the top right corner, click on your name, and this is my profile. So this is how I see my Facebook profile, but it might be different from someone else. So you can just click on the three dots icon beside the edit profile in here, and there will be this option view as. So tap on that. Okay, so this content is on your profile is public, and you can see this is how my Facebook profile would look like to someone else. Okay, so you can just do the same things if you want to view it on the computer. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.